How to use AI for YouTube automation and make $10,000 monthly? Imagine earning $10,000 a month from YouTube without showing your face, filming videos, or even writing scripts yourself. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. Thanks to AI, YouTube automation is the real deal, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can start today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the future of passive income with AI. YouTube automation is a business model where everything from scripting and voiceover to editing and thumbnail creation is done by tools or freelancers. You're not the face, you're the manager. Quick breakdown: you don't film videos, you don't edit, you don't need to show up daily. You build a system that runs almost on autopilot, and now with AI, that system just got 10x smarter, faster, and more profitable. How AI powers the whole system. Let's break it down into the 5 key parts of a YouTube automation channel and how AI handles each step. 1. Niche topic research. Use tools like ChatGPT or vidIQ AI to find trending, high-earning topics in niches like finance, health, motivation, or tech. Script writing. Use ChatGPT to write high-quality scripts in seconds. Just say, "Write me a 600-word YouTube script on top 5 passive income ideas." Add storytelling hooks, stats, and emotion. It nails it every time. Voiceover. Tools like 11 Labs or PlayHT generate natural AI voices. Choose a tone, accent, and gender done for video creation. Use Pictory or InVideo AI. Paste your script and it'll create a full video with stock footage, animations, and music. Thumbnail title. Tools like Canva AI, Kittl, or Thumbnailed AI create click-worthy thumbnails. For titles, use ChatGPT again. Give me 10 viral YouTube titles for a video on XYZ. You've just automated a full video in under 2 hours. Monetization strategy. So how do you hit $10,000 a month? Here's the breakdown. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you're monetized, 1K subs, 4K watch hours, you can earn $320 per 1,000 views. In a high CPM niche like finance, 500K views, month could make you 4,000, 6,000 easily. Affiliate marketing. Add links to tools, books, or products in your descriptions. Tools like Amazon Affiliate or ClickBank pay commissions for every sale. 3. Digital products or courses. Use AI to create ebooks or mini courses. Promote them in your videos. 4. Sponsorships. Once you hit 10K plus subscribers, brands may pay $500, $2,000 plus per video for mentions. Combo these streams and you're well on your way to 10K a month, sometimes faster than you think. Realistic timeline tips. Let's be real, this won't happen overnight, but here's a realistic timeline if you commit. Month 1, choose niche, set up channel, post 5-10 videos. Month 2-3, improve content quality, test titles, thumbnails. Month 4-6, gain traction, get monetized, scale video production. Month 6-12, add affiliate deals, secure sponsorships, and grow pro tips. 1. Stay in high CPM niches. 2. Use AI to save time, but still check quality. 3. Focus on catchy hooks, titles, and thumbnails. 4. Upload consistently. 2 to 3 videos each week is a solid pace. AI is changing the game. You don't need a camera, crew, or fancy gear. All you need is the right mindset, the right tools, and a little consistency. If you're serious about building an automated YouTube business, then check the link in the description. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, automate smart, earn big.